Imagine if your computer could do everything you tell it to, while you're sitting on your couch or even on the go. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's not anymore. Meet Manus My Computer, the AI that transforms your Mac or Windows PC into a 24/7 personal assistant. It can organize your files automatically, run apps and scripts, automate daily tasks, build fully functional desktop apps, all with just a few simple commands. In this video, I'll show you how it works, the coolest features, and how to turn your computer into your ultimate AI assistant. Let's dive in. Step 1. Install Manus AI. The link is in the description below. You can download it for Mac or Windows, and once installed, you'll see a clean, user-friendly dashboard. The best part? There's also a mobile app. That means you can control your computer from anywhere. Any command you type in the Manus mobile app runs instantly on your computer, like having an AI assistant in your pocket. Step 2. Key features, you can't miss one. Build desktop apps. Instantly want to create a custom Mac or Windows app? Just type your command. For example, build a health and fitness app. Manus handles writing the code, debugging, packaging the final app, all automatically. You'll get results in minutes. Our health and fitness app is now ready. On the dashboard, you can easily track your workouts, calorie intake, water consumption, and overall progress updates. By selecting the workout option, you can add different types of activities such as cardio, strength training, flexibility exercises, and more. The calories section allows you to log and monitor your daily calorie intake. You also get access to a water tracker where you can track your daily water consumption and view your progress. In the settings, you can personalize your profile by adding your name, age, weight, height, and setting your fitness goals. That's how simple and user-friendly our app is. Automate daily tasks, file organization. Automatically sort folders like invoices, photos, or project files. Rename files in bulk. Workflow automation. Chain multiple tasks together. Everything runs seamlessly, saving you hours of manual work. Generate websites, apps, and more. Manus can also build websites. Example, create a website for a social media marketing business. Manus handles the coding, preview, and final output. For example, for social media marketing or a personal brand. Generate dashboards, spreadsheets, slides, PDFs, produce rich outputs instead of plain text. Multi-device access, control your desktop from your mobile. Works with Mac and Windows fully remote, so you can manage tasks even when away from your desk. 6. Build custom workflows skills. You can save repeated tasks as a skill in Manus. Run multiple commands at once with one click, automate complex processes without touching the terminal. Ideal for creators, small businesses, or anyone wanting a fully automated desktop. It's truly an all-in-one AI solution. Build apps, websites, organize files, automate workflows, and manage tasks faster than ever. Don't wait. Try it out and make your computer the ultimate AI assistant. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.